Oh, oh shit. Welcome back. Today I don't have anything specifically planned, but obviously if you're watching this video and you read the title, that means I figured it out. So congratulations to me. So I'm gonna end up just taking my back seats out because I sometimes want to hear more of the car. And I kind of tilt them because, like, if I bring them all the way down, I'm not gonna be able to sit comfortable. But yeah, first I gotta meet up with my man Bloom, and as you have seen him in many videos, and I'm gonna tell you what happened. Oh, damn, he got out quick. So I've arrived at my destination. Just a quick update on the car. We lost the front splitter. The rods weren't strong enough. It wasn't gonna make it.
Sadness about the splitter, man.
Yeah, it just wasn't. It wasn't gonna happen.
I need to know how this happened. Are the holes still there?
The holes are all still there, but yeah, it's gone. But so after this young man, he's gonna go for a ride because he has not been in the car since.
Oh, these are where the rods were at?
Yeah. I still got the rods. They just broke off, and then of course all the wind got in there, and then you know. This young man here has never been in my 5.0 since it's got the bolt-ons.
I have not.
And so we got to see what that's like. Can I ask you a question, sir?
What's going on?
What's the fastest vehicle you've been in so far? Doing pulls and stuff.
Let me think about that.
Oh God.
It probably is your car. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh damn. Well, so we gonna go for a ride in this thing here. We're gonna go for a ride in this thing. Random truck coming down the block. And we're gonna get his reaction. I might put the GoPro on at the same time, and then let him hold this and just have his reaction, and then we'll put it all together and see from there.
Got the play bar in the body.
Nobody's worried about that.
Got the play
Oh
bar
my God.
in the body. Should I start recording now?
No, not yet. What you gotta do? You always gotta turn it in sport mode. You gotta put it in sport.
Get a load of this guy. Let me know when I should start.
I think you should hold it with two hands and have it all the way out so I can see your reaction.
Alright, I'm recording.
Alright. He is now recording. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and do a third gear first, alright?
Hold up.
What's the problem? This nigga, yo.
Wait a minute.
I just had to beat the light.
Alright. At first I was like, well, that wasn't doing the damn thing.
Until we hit the bump.
You ever get a little like lightheaded like sometimes?
Oh, when it finally kicked in?
Yeah.
That's that
like,
VTEC. 5.0's got VTEC kinda.
VTEC?
They kinda do. I don't know if you ever drove a Honda.
As well go get yourself a roll bar.
Is it a roll bar?
Yeah.
Why?
Or not a roll bar, a wheelie bar. I don't know why I said
Oh, because the front went up?
Yeah, I don't like that.
First gear is gonna be real scary. I'm a little scared to do first gear. I'm a 40 roll gear.
When that light hits.
What light hits?
When that light hits. You gotta hit him with the squint.
You said with the squint.
That's how you do.
We're gonna do first gear too. Reposition for first.
Yo, cuz, bro, yo, your tires were definitely spinning too. Yo, cuz, scared of your car. I'm very scared of your car. No,
More for first.
oh my God. Oh, nah, wait.
You can hear it just ready to go.
Oh, oh my.
Is he still recording? My man. man.
That shit not funny. Oh! Oh my.
We good. Make sure you save it now, young man. Now that we finished up the pools in an undisclosed location, we'll wash our cars real quick, and then I'm gonna try to see. This has been recording the whole time. If anyone else comes out, we meet up with anybody at the wash, see what they want to do. We filmed the car wash because it was too cold to film and I didn't have enough time. But that's just one reaction. If you want to be in a video, if you think you can sit here and not make a face, which I'm sure a lot of you can, make sure you hit me up on Instagram or on YouTube and let me know, and we'll make something happen. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more. And most importantly, have a nice night.